So, you guys are gonna think I'm a freaking genius. So, for like a gig. So, you know in the wintertime how you need paddle coats to warm the snow? Obviously, I would go use all these great too. But, I came across a problem and I figured out a very cheap solution to your problem. If you have a RC car with no roof cover, I'll show you what I mean when I flip the camera around. If you have a RC car with no roof cover, you might want to watch this video and keep watching, because what I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. And it only cost me $1 at the dollar store. Here we go. This is your RC roof cover. Because if you have a RC lightless Jeep that could not have a roof cover, I could figure it out. Now you might be asking yourself, "You're a genius! How can you make it? How can you make it?" And for you who want to know how I made it, what I did was, bloop, these are self-laminated sheets. Now, these self-laminated sheets come with two sides. Obviously, a side that ain't sticky because you put what you want to laminate in the middle here, and then you put kill the sticky part stuff off and slap it on there, and it shuts and it falls together. What I did was I cut that sticky stuff, I cut it to size of the roof. Basically, see how I swale the corners out? Now, obviously, it ain't perfect. It gotta have to be. But I swale the corners. And basically, what I did was I made a roof. This is waterproof, well, water resistant. I should say it's waterproof. And it was a cheap DIY because this stuff I found at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. And basically, I just used it because it only cost me $1. I got this. See? You can laminate the badges of crap. But look at that. Now this thing is ready to go for the snow. Aren't I just a genius? I tell you what, the RC hobby is amazing from what you could do with some cool things that are cheap too. Only $1 could do this project I have about. I love this hobby.